Welcome back, everyone. I just restarted the machine and log into the Windows machine again. So now I just want to show you what are all the things which when it gets installed, TortoiseSVN gets installed. What are the components that gets installed, and what are the things which you can see in the graphical user interface. So for that thing, you need to right click on here, right click on the desktop explorer. There, if you want to see it, you can see the show more options. There you can see SVN checkout and Tortoise SVN with all sort of options. Okay. So what I will try to do here is I will try to check out a non-public repository. Okay. For that thing, what I will do is I will go to the source folder and I will go to an SVN folder. I will create an SVN folder here. SVN folder, and I will try to. Just want to rename it. Just let me rename it. Rename SVN. I just want to check out from a public repository called Unicorn. Okay, Unicorn is again a public a project repository where it is actually maintaining the old SVN. Okay, so I'll be maintaining the source in an old SVN. Okay, so you can see that the repository, public repository, and you can see that the SVN link is like this. Okay, so if I try to check out the whole from this URL, it will have a huge source of repository. So what I will do is I will just try to check out a part of that repository by navigating to the doc section. Okay, so that's what I'm trying to check out here. I just want to save some time on with regards to checkout. I just want to demonstrate something. So what I will do is I will create an unicorn doc, okay, folder. Then I will try to check out from that location. Okay, Tortoise SVN checkout. So since I already copied that URL, it will be there. So now I click OK. So when I click OK, this dialog will come automatically. So I'm just so this is the way you need to check out. Okay, similar to what you can do it using GitHub, Git client. You can do the same thing in SVN as well. Okay, SVN with the Tortoise SVN. Okay, so this is what is now. So this is what the docs contains. So this is how we can do all sort of things like checkout. There are other features also here. So if you want, you can see all these features like update is there, commit is there. So all sort of things which is similar to the GitHub, you can see here in Tortoise. Okay, I will be coming with another set of tutorial. Thank you. Thanks for your time.